In yesterday's video, I told you guys get that video up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours, and I will announce a brand new sneaker giveaway today. We were so close to 500 likes in 24 hours. I believe we hit around 450 likes. So let's get this video right now that you're watching up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours, and I will announce a brand new sneaker giveaway in tomorrow's video. And that sneaker that I plan on giving away, we're going to unbox today. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below if you guys love sneakers and if you love sneaker giveaways. So today we're going to unbox a pair of sneakers that I plan on giving away to one of you guys very soon, and I was able to cop this sneaker for retail on a restock. So yes, I got lucky on a restock, and I told you guys in a recent video a few days ago, maybe a week or two ago now, to follow the right Twitter accounts and you will know about restocks, and that's exactly how I was able to cop this pair. This is a sneaker that sold out very fast. The hype was honestly through the roof on release day. Prices for this sneaker before they released were around $240, and right after the release, they actually shot up to like well over $300 to $320. This sneaker is an absolute must-have for me personally. I already have my own personal pair, so I have no problem giving away this pair to one of my subscribers. Thumbs ups, comments, it all helps the channel grow, so thank you guys so much for the love and the support. We are currently at 16.4K subscribers, about to hit 17,000. Thank you guys so much. After 17,000, of course, comes 20,000, so we're just growing, and then we're gonna hit 50,000 and then 100,000. Guys, I cannot wait for that silver play button. I want that thing so bad, and it's gonna be all thanks to you guys. So thank you guys so much for the love and the support. It absolutely means a ton to me. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers. I would absolutely love to hit 50,000 by the end of the year, and then next year we double that into 100K. Enough of the rambling, let's get into this fire sneaker restock unboxing. This is a pair of sneakers I was able to cop on a restock from Footlocker. I told you guys to follow Solinks, I told you to follow Sneaker Twitter, and J23 app, because I believe it was Solinks, it might have been Sneaker Twitter, it was not J23 app, I know that. It was either Solinks or Sneaker Twitter who I saw this tweet from, and I was able to cop this sneaker. So I was browsing through Twitter, I saw that the restock happened about an hour ago. This is at the time of purchasing the sneaker, so I was like, man, you know what, maybe it's too late. I clicked on the link from Footlocker, I added a size 11 to my cart, and guess what? Boom, straight to cart. I was like, whoa, I just got them. Like, I'm ecstatic, I'm so hyped. So I placed the order, and here they are. We got a pair of hype Air Jordans to unbox today that sold out very fast. Resale just increased on this sneaker. This is a general release sneaker, but I feel like they held stock back because they wanted to do restocks on this sneaker, and boy have they been doing restocks on this sneaker right here. On release day, this sneaker had a ton of hype. They sold out very quick. Let's get into this unboxing, man. I'm hyped to see these. I have done a few videos on this sneaker already. I'll be using this Supreme knife to unbox these shoes. As you guys can see, the Supreme logo is like fading off, so I really could use a new knife. If you want to send me a new knife, that would be awesome. I'll shout you out. My P.O. box is down below in the description, so I mean, I could totally use a new dope hypebeast knife. That would be really cool. So let's go ahead and open these up. Let's see what sneakers these are. I'm very hyped for this unboxing. This sneaker is a must cop, but I already own my own pair. I'll show you guys my own pair in a little bit. Let's open these up and stay tuned, because once again, I will be giving away this pair of sneakers to one of you guys. We got my receipt right here. Let's take that out. We got the Footlocker little thing there, and let's take a look at this pair of limited, well, air quotes around limited, it seemed very limited, but a general release Air Jordan right here. You have this silver Jordan box, and these are the fire Jordan 13 Flint. Man, very dope, very classic sneaker, very Very nice. I will be giving these away, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up on this video. Give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter, and you can get a head start on the giveaway. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll be announcing the giveaway details in an upcoming video. Let's get this video up to 500 likes, like I said, in the first 24 hours, and I will announce the giveaway details for these Flint 13s. Let's take a look at both of them. Let's take them both out of the box, man. These are so nice. I absolutely love unboxing very nice Jordans, man. I absolutely love the Flint 13s. You can't go wrong with this colorway. The last time we saw this shoe was back in 2010, and I've owned this sneaker several times, but I've always gotten rid of it because I've gotten such good offers. But this pair I will be giving away, and I do have my personal pair, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So now we're back with another Jordan box. I do have two boxes right here to show you guys. Both pairs are size 11, so I'll be keeping my personal pair size 11, and I'll be giving away the other pair size 11 as well. So I'll be keeping this pair of Flints right here. Fire, absolutely fire. And I'm going to give away this other pair right here that we just unboxed in today's video. So make sure you guys do stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think about the Flint 13s. Are these a must-have for you? For me, absolutely. That's why I'll be keeping a pair, and I'm going to give you guys a chance to own a pair as well. I'm sure we'll see more restocks of the Flint 13s, so make sure you look out on Twitter. Make sure you give me a follow on Twitter, and if I see restocks, of course, I will retweet them. But I'm sure Flint 13s will have a few more restocks, and then they will eventually sell out and be done with, and we'll move on to the next shoe. But don't forget, guys, Fire Red 5s and DMP 6s still to this day are still restocking, so we could get restocks of Flint 13s for quite a little while more. We'll see how it does go, but make sure you guys follow the right accounts like I told you on Twitter. Make sure you give me a follow as well, and we will see if we do get more restocks of Flint 13s. Resale has dipped on this sneaker quite a bit. They were going for like $240, $250 before the release. They shot up day of release after they sold out to like $320 to $330, and now they're settled back down around $250, which is what I predicted would happen. These are definitely a fire clean sneaker. A lot of people, a lot of OG heads, a lot of old heads wanted this sneaker, so they're gonna pay that money. If you really want to make the most money for this sneaker, I would say sell it locally. So I want to give you guys some restock information and some useful tips, I guess, on how you can cop restocks. First tip I told you, of course, is to follow the right sneaker Twitter accounts. SoulLinks, Sneaker Twitter, and J23 app being the most important ones. I'll leave those down below in the description. Make sure you turn on all notifications for these accounts. Now, as far as other places to look for restocks, you can look also on Instagram. Sometimes the right Instagram people will also put up posts on restock information. J23 app, like I just said before, the app is amazing, an absolute must-have app. So when you get the notification for these restocks and you're alert that a restock is happening right now, when it does happen, in order to cop these restocks, don't give up. You need to sit there and click add to cart on foot sites or any website that you're doing it. Wait in line. Otherwise, if it's a foot site, just hit there and click add to cart. I did it once and went straight to my cart. I went back again to see if I could maybe cop another pair, and I just sat there for about 5 minutes hitting add to cart. Eventually I stopped, but restocks do last for usually about 20 minutes. They usually don't last too long because stock does get eaten up really fast. But some restocks can restock now, then they'll restock maybe an hour, 2 hours later. So when there is one restock, there could be multiple restocks coming, so make sure that you're alert and on top of your game. Hey, there's restocks going on. So don't give up, be in it to win it, and sit there and add to cart and hope for the best and hope that you're able to secure a pair on a restock. On release day, I was actually only able to get one pair. That was it. On release day, I sat there for like 3 hours on my computer. I took a bunch of L's, except for one pair. But right here, woo, I was able to cop this pair on a restock on Monday. I believe it was last Monday I was able to secure this pair. Or it might have been Tuesday. It was Monday or Tuesday. I'm not entirely sure. But a few days after the release on Saturday, I was able to cop the Flint 13s for retail. Once again, let's get this video up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours so that I can give away this pair of brand new size 11 of Flint 13s to one of you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for the giveaway. I do plan on giving these sneakers away. I just want to see if we can get hit that 500 like goal in the first 24 hours. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram, give me a follow on Twitter. I'll leave those links down below in the description. Also, make sure you give me a follow on TikTok. I'm going to push out more TikTok content so I can grow on TikTok. So make sure you give me a follow, all Danny Moore 2369. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.